All right, let's get right to it. We are starting with the hand press machine. The first thing you will do is to set up the snap button dies. There are two parts. One sits into the bottom of the machine and the other one screws into the top. Next, you take this piece of the snap button, which is called the socket, and you clip it into the top. Then you lay in this piece, which is called the cap. Before we press anything, we need to make a hole. I'm using a hole punch tool here. This one has multiple size settings. It's the same tool used for making belt holes, so it's really useful to have in your kit. Place your fabric and punch through. Make sure it goes all the way through. Then you push the pin of the cap through the hole of the fabric. Hold the fabric in place and lower the press and apply pressure. Now we completed the socket side, which is also called the female component of the snap button. Now we can move on to the stud side of the snap button. Push the stud into the side of the die. In order to attach the socket, we need to replace the die set. Now we take this piece, which is called the post, and place it through the hole of the fabric and on top of the die. Lower the press and apply pressure. Et voila, you are finished and you have installed the snap button. Make sure you practice on some fabric scraps first before applying it to your garment. I hope this video helped, and let me know if you have any questions.